a planetary problem. Menstruation cycle, in short, is hormones at party and hormones at hell. Hello once again, this is Aristo और आज मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ. अगर आपको इसके बारे में पता है, well and good. अगर नहीं पता है, let the information flow because it's all about the best women of your life. This was very new thing for her. Let me tell you, at age 11, umr 11, what? Her first period. Blood, menstruation, gross secret hidden. Why? Being a biological process where a woman has to face this from a very tiny age till half of her age. A universal truth. Before coming into this physical world, what was your home like? A place that you, a tiny growing being, were supported and nurtured by. No, it was not your parents' house. A little more before that. It was that wonderful, soft, cozy, nourishing, thick mucus lining a woman's uterus. Yes, your mother's, penetrated by tiny blood vessels, ensuring blood perfusion enough to give you enough oxygen and nutrients so that you may grow till what you are today. सोच के देखो, wasn't that a beautiful thing or isn't that a beautiful thing?
Will you still consider the same blood as impure? Yes, it's still considered as a taboo in urban and rural areas. Women still feel awkward and ashamed talking about it. Sanitary pads are still wrapped in newspaper or hidden in black, though they are new and unstained. We know that we are born and we are bathed in that same blood. Yet the world teaches us that if she bleeds, she is untouchable. We live in a society where periods is hideous and rape isn't. सोचने वाली बात है. GST charges for sanitary pads but not for condoms. Condoms are globally free. The whole system assists men but fends women. क्या वो नहीं जानते या नहीं जानना चाहते हैं that a woman really faces many things and it's her necessity. If one is free, the other thing should be too. In addition, 20% of a whole schooling, a year's schooling is missed out by many teenage girls. You know why? Because of their menstrual cycle, unaffordability of sanitary pads, sanitation facilities and infrastructure, or cultural beliefs. 45% of the girls, they are completely unaware before they get it. Where are the mothers? Yes, ironically, it's always the older woman who does not impart information, who does not prepare the young girl. 85% of the girls are already in restriction, who are already learned and menstruating. So, the women who carry myths and myths from generation to generation, keeping mum, they do not teach. 85% of the girls, they themselves are in restriction, though they have come to this era. So how will the society know when it's unspoken, unsaid? Girls menstruate by the grade 6 or 7. But our standard education system provides them in standard or grade 8th or 9th. See the lag. How will the boys learn and how will the boys know what a girl really faces? So the school does not teach, the parents do not talk about it. Where will the girl go? One decade passed, nothing has changed. Hence, let's take an oath this menstrual hygiene day that we will let no woman be limited for her rights. Let woman not be a barrier in breaking the taboos. Let the women talk to their family so that the family will eventually understand. It's not about exaggerating this topic to another limit, but taking this term normally and welcoming this change as a puberty ritual followed in South India so that there will be more compassionate fathers, more compassionate brothers, and more compassionate brothers and boyfriends. Even the society does not understand, it will definitely understand one day, breaking this taboo if the circle goes this way. Let the school also bring it to the curriculum very soon before the girl and boy notice themselves. Let's not whisper about the whisper but embrace it, understand the girl child, respect the girl child. Though it's not a feminine story, it's everyone's responsibility to keep the bleeding girl happy. People who do not know and who laugh at it, you need to grow up. Go Google it and learn about it. And I assure you that you will end up saluting every woman you see. Dear people, you definitely need to break this taboo because it's all normal. If a woman menstruates, she is normal because she's not pregnant. Her hormones are normal. Her body is normal too. That's what the sign she is giving. Yeah, she is a girl. She bleeds every month. She sheds blood to generate the world. Remember it. Thank you. Have a nice day.